Hi guys, welcome back to Brenda's Toy Review. Today we will be doing fidgets. Okay, I'll go first by doing my squid poppet. There's one big pop, a big pop, and then it has other little pops here. Okay, Brenda, your turn.
I have my
The
magnet.
center of the camera is like.
I have some magnet balls, but kids under 3 years old cannot get them.
Yep.
Because me and Briggs are 6 and 9, and 3-year-olds can't have them.
And then these are my magnetic balls. Mine are gold.
Mine are rainbow. So, Briggs, it's your turn next.
I'll do my plastic poppet. Hey. It's my turn. Okay, and then let me show you guys the good side. Okay, your turn, Bryn.
So, my next one is this cool poppet. Has very loud pops. That's it.
And then this is my poppet.
We don't just have circle poppets.
Yeah, we have a lot more. We just can't show them. And then this is the good side. Okay, Bryn, your turn.
So my next one is this monkey one. Super duper stretchy, right, Briggs?
Mm-hmm.
Stretchy. It does have a few knots in them, but still pretty fun.
Mm-hmm.
Next fidget.
My next fidget is my poppet ball. It's a 3D poppet, and that's all it does. Your turn, Bryn.
My next one is this cute little cupcake squishy. Has a hole and a hole in there, but otherwise it's so good, squishy. I might send it to a YouTuber.
Okay.
I might send it to a YouTuber.
Oh, okay. Pop tubes. These are our pop tubes.
He's saying hi.
Okay, stop it. And then this is what you can also do with pop tubes. You can also do this. It's really satisfying. It sounds really cool. Okay, let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Have a good night.
Please like and subscribe.